Hey everybody, it's me, Filigree 3, and if you want to know how to make your very own rose gold FineTec just like this, then stay tuned! So for this project, you're going to need the FineTec Crystal Colors set and the gold set. Here I have the picture I was working on when I realized I needed to mix the rose gold. So step 1, you're going to need the moon gold color. That's the second in from the right on the gold, and you're going to need just a whole bunch of it. So start mixing and then transfer that into wherever you want your rose gold paint. Then I rinsed my brush off and started to wake up the red color. This is going to give you that warmth that you need for it to become rose gold, and then I realized I didn't have enough moon gold, added more there. And then the purple is what adds that rosiness. So I chose to add just a little bit, but you can add a lot more if you want a pink or rose gold, or vice versa. Now here is what it looks like on the brush, and here is what I ended up with in the pan. As you can see, it really does look like rose gold, and here I just thought I would add it to my swatch card of miscellaneous swatches. If you'd like to see me swatch these other ones, I will have a video pop up now. But I'm really happy with this. I feel like it really, by using the different FineTecs, I have that gold aspect, and then I have the deeper kind of color from the purple and the rosiness from the red, and I really think it all works out in the end. Now back to that portrait I was working on. This is a self-portrait. I'm going to go in and do my earrings, because I have these rose gold hoops that I was wearing when I took my reference photo. Because I mixed it up with the water in the pan like that, it can't really be soaked in unless you made a whole bunch, which is the only downside. So it's not going to be quite as opaque as the other FineTecs, simply because you don't have that thick cake layer. If you went over it multiple times though, you could get that effect. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!